lining back up again. I'm gonna take this apart. Because there's supposed to be 9 volts coming out of this yellow one here. This yellow one again is 121. Let's unplug the power. Now, here comes the fun. Can I see that? I need some more colors. Start with this red. Oh, looks like somebody already labeled this, huh? They're all the same. I'll just follow suit and go 1, 2, 3. So they were working in there, huh? And what do these 3 go to? They're identical. Four-prong. P553 has a 3 on it, right? P552 has a 3 on it. A 2 on it. P551 has a light blue 1 on it. Now, okay, still recording? All right, we got these off. 1, 2, 3. Keep these together in a little group. 1, 2, 3. Take this one off here. This is this little tiny one. That's 3 colors. This is P55. It's a little snug. That was real snug. P555. It's a small one. That looks like it goes over to the toward the lights. I believe that's right. P555. Yeah, it goes over to the meters. And then we got P554, which goes over to the mixing amplifier. It's not clear what purpose it serves. I'll figure it out. Okay, I'm gonna try to take this board off now. I'm gonna mark this box with a red. I'm gonna put some red right here. I'm gonna take this off. I can see this pops. Now we're going to take the buttons off the front.